कुछ बताएंगे।
My name is Sudhanshu Selukar.
My name is Anshinani. We all are from class 430.
All are from Oxford Global School OTGS. We all will explain about water cycle.
Viraj will explain about evaporation, Piyush will explain about condensation, I will explain about precipitation, and Ansh will explain about collection.
So let's begin.
The process of water cycle starts with evaporation. Evaporation is process in which the ultraviolet rays of the sun falls on the water and they break down water particles into the pieces. And it is converted into the gas known as water vapor. As you know, the hot air rises up and cold air moves down, which the water is converted into the gas moves up, and the process of evaporation ends here. I will explain about condensation. Condensation is process in which water vapor goes up in the sky and mixed with dust particles to form cloud. The process of condensation ends here.
I will explain about precipitation. It is the third stage of water cycle. When the water droplets keep collecting in clouds, they become too heavy and the water droplets fall down as rain, sleet, snow, hail. Here the process of precipitation ends.
I will explain about collection. Collection is a process in which water falls on ground. Then underground water gets collected in the water bodies such as ocean, sea, river or lake. And the collection is the last step of water cycle. People used to take out water throughout hand pumps and the water bodies get refilled, and the process of water cycle ends here. This repeats forever.
Thank you for giving precious time to us.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Mugdha Mudgale. I am from class 4th. My SLC topic is area and perimeter. As you can see, this is a water park. This is made up of different shapes like square, rectangle, circle, etc. Here are different areas like ticket counter, dressing room, slides and etc. Now we will learn how to find area and perimeter of any shape. Using formulas, we can find area and perimeter of any shape. For example, we will take this slide. This slide is made up of a rectangle. We can assume that the breadth is 3 cm and the length is 7 cm. If we have to find the area of this rectangle, we need to multiply the length into breadth. It equals to 21 cm. So we can say that the area of this rectangle is 21 cm. Now we will find the perimeter of this rectangle. The formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle.
Today we are presenting closed and open syllable. So let's start. Soham, do you know what is a syllable?
Yes, a syllable is a part of a word that has a vowel and some consonants.
Now I will tell what is a closed syllable. Syllables ending with the consonants are called closed syllables. Example, napkin. First we have to break it into 2 syllables, which is nap and kin. In first syllable, the vowel is A and it ends with a consonant. And in second syllable, the vowel is I and it also ends with a consonant. That's why it is a closed syllable. Some other examples are pencil, cutlet, cactus, submit and public. So now it's your turn to explain open syllable.
A syllable ending with a vowel is called open syllable. To identify which is an open syllable, first we will break the word into 2 syllables. Then we will see if it ends with a vowel, it is called open syllable. Some examples are spider, basic, cubic and minus. Thank you. Have a great day.
Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to CCS SLC.
I am Veda Ghongde
and I am Arna Bhosle from class 5th. Veda, do you know what is MS Excel? Do you know tomorrow is our CCS assessment on the topic MS Excel?
Oh no, I totally forgot about that. Now how will I study?
Don't worry Veda, let us revise with help of a pop quiz.
Sure, that will be fun. You can start with the first question now.
So Veda, do you know what is MS Excel?
Yes, MS Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft.
Yes, it's correct.
Arna, do you know what are the main uses of MS Excel?
Yes, the main uses of MS Excel are data entry, data management, financial analysis, programming, accounting, etc.
Yes, they all are correct, Arna.
Do you know how to start MS Excel?
Yes, some of the how to start MS Excel. First step, we need to click on the start button. Second step, click on all programs. Third step, click on Microsoft Office. Fourth step, select MS Excel 2007.
Yes, it is correct.
Wow, the pop quiz was really fun, Arna.
Now let us go ahead with help of the shortcut keys.
Select all is equal to Control plus A. Second, bold is equal to Control plus P. Third, copy is equal to Control plus C. Fourth, fill down is equal to Control plus D. And find is equal to Control plus F.
Go to is equal to Control plus G, replace is equal to Control plus H, italics is equal to Control plus I, new workbook is equal to Control plus N, and finally close current workbook is equal to Control plus W. Veda, I don't know any of the examples of report card on MS Excel. Can you please show me?
Don't worry, Arna. Here is an example of the report card in MS Excel. There are some particular formulas to get the minimum, maximum and percentages in MS Excel.
नमस्कार, मैं कार्तिकी कक्षा चौथी से आज आपके सामने संत मीराबाई बनी हूँ और उनका एक पद आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने वस्तु अमोलिक दी मेरे सद्गुरु, वस्तु अमोलिक दी मेरे सद्गुरु, कृपा कर अपनायो, पायो जी मैंने कृपा कर अपनायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने। धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते, मैं ओवी कक्षा चौथी से आपका हिंदी की एसएलसी में स्वागत करती हूँ। आज मैं रानी लक्ष्मीबाई बनी हूँ। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी थी वो झांसी वाली रानी, थरनाई है धरा गगन तक गूंजी जिसकी वाणी, तोड़ गुलामी की जंजीरें आज़ादी है पानी, विहल विवांश भरल में अब तो जीत की लो जवानी, विहल विवांश भरल में अब तो जीत की लो जवानी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी।
Smile, smile. हाथ तो wave your hands.
Single hand.
Single hand, huh? No double hand.
And you are first. Okay.
Ma'am, my name is Nimesh Vilas Uttara from class SKGA. My school name is Oxford the Global School. My topic name is traffic light. This is the traffic light. It used for avoiding bumping of vehicle. Traffic lights has 3 colors on traffic light: red, yellow, green. Thank you.
My name is Anush Ganga Prakachana. My school name is Oxford the Global School. My class name is LKG. My topic is Shivishvat. Today I am showing Shivishvat with Pony.